now we've moved on to the Sky Report, and as you know, we're going to have to try to do it without Tony, but we do have something to help us. So Patrick, would you like to give the Sky Report and perhaps?
Well, wait a minute, I can't see the screen.
Here, you don't have to keep it up there the whole time. There's the sky. What planets are in the sky?
All right, so I'm just, okay.
Here, I'll hold them up. You can just look at them while
All right,
speak.
we'll kind of channel Tony Cook here. Okay, so Sky Report for this month. These are the planets that were imaged just at the end of September, and on the left there is planet Venus, which is now a crescent. Notice the next planet is Mars, which has shrunk to a third of its angular diameter now. That's farther away than when it was closest to us back in July. Jupiter looks fairly good in our evening sky, and if you look through a telescope and look at Saturn, if you go up to the come up one night, look through our telescopes and also the Zeiss telescope on the roof, you'll see that Saturn's rings are all wide open, so beautiful sight. Let's take a look at our, what we can see in the evening sky at 7:15 on October 11th. We can go to the next slide and identify all the objects there, starting with Jupiter near the horizon, Saturn a little bit higher up, and Mars even higher up. And we can go through a sequence of events there. First, Jupiter, Antares. The moon will be passing by Antares.
On the next day, October
Yeah, next
12th.
day, yeah. And then on the 14th, it'll be just above the planet Saturn. And let's take a look at our moon phases. So we have a new moon on the 8th, and a special full moon, I think, on the, on the 24th. And just to give Tony more credit here, the next picture was taken by him of a comet, Jacobina Simmer, which was bright and when it was close just last month. So in the morning sky, there are no planets visible, but you can see all the stars, all the brilliant stars of the winter sky, including, of course, our famous Orion. And if you want to look for Forte Eridani, it's somewhere over here. And then this is Comet Halley, which is the source of the trail of particles for an upcoming meteor shower, which we're going to see in the next slide.
So let's be clear, you can't see the comet.
You can't see
the comet. Is not visible, but the...
Halley's 1P?
Yeah, it was the first short period comet. Yeah, that's what that one means, yeah. So 21P is for Jacobinus. That's the 21st comet with short period. So October 20th at 4 a.m., if you're up that early, you might see one or two meteors. But unfortunately, the moon is in waxing gibbous phase and will kind of drown out most of the light of the faint meteors. But in a dark sky, it would normally be about 20 meteors per hour.